Hot water is something we all rely on every single day, whether it's for a refreshing morning shower, washing dishes, or keeping our home comfortable during colder seasons. But not all water heaters are created equal. Some deliver instant hot water, some focus on energy efficiency, while others are designed to serve multiple outlets at once without running out. In today's video, we're diving deep into 4 powerful and modern tankless water heaters that are designed to provide endless hot water, save space, and operate with impressive efficiency. Each of these water heaters has its own strengths, unique technology, and ideal use cases. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how each model works, what makes it special, and which one might suit your needs best. And I'd really like you to tell me in the comments which water heater you liked the most and why. Also, if you enjoy detailed, honest, and easy-to-understand videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more home, appliance, and smart living content. Now, let's get started. Water heater number 1, EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Let's begin with the EcoSmart ECO11, a compact yet powerful electric tankless water heater designed for on-demand performance and exceptional efficiency. One of the first things you notice about the EcoSmart ECO11 is its compact and minimalist design. Measuring roughly 12 by 8 by 4 inches and weighing just around 6.5 pounds, this unit is incredibly lightweight and space-saving. It's designed to be wall-mounted, making it an excellent choice for homes, apartments, offices, or point-of-use installations where space is limited. Despite its small size, the EcoSmart ECO11 delivers impressive performance. With a power output of 13 kilowatts and operating at 240 volts, this unit is capable of providing consistent hot water on demand. Unlike traditional tank heaters that store and reheat water continuously, this tankless model heats water only when you need it, meaning there's no standby energy loss. One of its standout features is EcoSmart's patented self-modulating technology. This intelligent system continuously monitors water flow and temperature, automatically adjusting energy usage to match demand. The result is stable water temperature within 1 degree of your selected setting, even when flow rates fluctuate. The digital LED display on the front of the unit makes temperature control simple and precise. You can easily adjust the water temperature to your comfort level, and once set, the system maintains it consistently. In terms of performance, the EcoSmart ECO11 can deliver between 1.3 to 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on the incoming water temperature. This makes it ideal for bathrooms, small sinks, office break rooms, or other low-flow applications where reliable hot water is essential. Efficiency is another strong point here. With a thermal efficiency rating of up to 99.8%, almost all the electricity used by this unit goes directly into heating water. That means minimal waste and maximum performance. Overall, the EcoSmart ECO11 is a smart choice for anyone looking for a compact, energy-efficient, and reliable electric tankless water heater for targeted or point-of-use applications. Water heater number 2. Rinnai RX199IN Condensing Gas Tankless Water Heater. Next up is a true powerhouse, the Rinnai RX199IN, a high-performance condensing tankless gas water heater that operates on natural gas or propane and is designed for serious hot water demand. Right away, the Rinnai RX199IN stands out with its robust build and advanced engineering. While still compact compared to traditional tank heaters, this unit is designed to serve entire households with ease. Its wall-mounted design allows it to be installed indoors or outdoors, thanks to Rinnai's VersaVent system. One of the most impressive aspects of this heater is its maximum flow rate of up to 11.1 gallons per minute. That's enough to supply hot water to multiple fixtures at the same time, showers, sinks, and appliances, without any noticeable drop in temperature. At the heart of this unit is Rinnai's SmartSense gas control system, which automatically adapts to different fuel sources and usage demands. Whether operating on propane or natural gas, the system ensures optimal combustion, efficiency, and safety. The RX199IN is a condensing water heater, meaning it captures and reuses heat that would otherwise be lost. This contributes to its exceptionally high energy efficiency rating, with a UEF of 0.98, placing it among the most efficient gas tankless water heaters available. User convenience is another strong point here. The unit features an easy-to-use interface, allowing for straightforward temperature adjustments. It also includes a quick flush feature, which simplifies maintenance and helps keep the system running smoothly over time. Another major advantage is durability. Unlike traditional tank heaters that accumulate sediment and rust over time, this tankless design avoids internal water storage, contributing to a longer lifespan and more consistent performance. The RX199IN can also be upgraded with Wi-Fi connectivity using an optional control module, allowing users to monitor and manage the system remotely through a mobile app. In short, the RX199IN is designed for homeowners who need high flow capacity, advanced efficiency, and flexible installation options, all packed into a surprisingly compact unit. Water heater number 3. Rheem 18 kilowatt tankless electric water heater, RTEX18. Now let's talk about the Rheem RTEX18, a powerful electric tankless water heater built for larger demands and whole home performance. Rheem is a well-known name in water heating, and the RTEX18 reflects the brand's focus on reliability and innovation. This unit features a sleek gray design and a slightly larger footprint than smaller point-of-use models, measuring approximately 14.5 inches wide and 18.25 inches high. With an 18 kilowatt heating capacity, this water heater delivers strong performance, capable of providing hot water at flow rates of up to 4.4 gallons per minute, depending on inlet temperature. This makes it suitable for multiple fixtures in smaller homes or high-demand single-zone applications. One of its key features is the advanced self-modulating technology, which intelligently adjusts power output based on real-time water demand. This not only ensures stable water temperature, but also optimizes energy usage. The digital LED display allows for precise temperature control with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree. Once set, the system maintains your desired temperature consistently, even when water pressure changes. Internally, the Rheem RTEX18 uses durable copper immersion heating elements, which are known for efficient heat transfer and long-term reliability. These elements are also field serviceable, making maintenance more manageable. Installation is designed to be straightforward, with standard bottom 3/4-inch NPT water connections. The wall-mounted design helps save floor space while providing a clean, professional installation look. With an efficiency rating of up to 99.8%, the RTEX18 ensures that nearly all incoming electrical energy is converted into usable hot water. Overall, the Rheem RTEX18 is an excellent option for those who want a high-output electric tankless water heater capable of handling heavier water usage without sacrificing efficiency or control. Water heater number 4. Cyvatec 14 kilowatt electric tankless water heater. The fourth and final model in today's lineup is the Cyvatec 14 kilowatt electric tankless water heater, a modern and safety-focused unit designed for reliable point-of-use and small multi-point applications. This heater features a sleek gray design and a compact form factor, measuring just over 12 inches wide. It's designed for wall mounting or under-sink installation, making it extremely versatile for homes with limited space. With a 14 kilowatt heating capacity and up to 99% thermal efficiency, this unit delivers instant hot water without preheating or standby energy loss. It's well suited for supplying hot water to 1 or 2 usage points simultaneously, such as a kitchen sink and a bathroom. One of the standout features of the Cyvatec heater is its smart temperature control system. The intuitive LED display allows users to set water temperature in precise 1-degree increments, ranging from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Once set, the system maintains stable output even when water pressure fluctuates. Safety is a major focus here. The unit includes overheat protection, leakage protection, and automatic shutoff, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Its water-electricity separation technology also helps prevent scale buildup and extend the unit's lifespan. Installation is designed to be user-friendly, with standard water connections and no need to disassemble the housing for wiring. This makes the setup process faster and more convenient for professionals. In summary, the Cyvatech 14 kilowatt model is a strong choice for those seeking a compact, efficient, and safety-oriented electric tankless water heater for targeted applications. Final comparison. Now that we've covered all 4 water heaters, let's compare them based on features and performance. The EcoSmart Eco 11-1 excels in compact design and energy efficiency, making it ideal for point-of-use installations and smaller spaces. The Rinnai RX199IN stands out for its high flow rate, gas-powered performance, and whole-home capability. The Rheem RTEX18 offers strong electric power and advanced modulation suitable for higher demand scenarios. And the Cyvatech 14 kilowatt focuses on smart controls, safety features, and flexible installation for smaller setups. Each of these water heaters brings something unique to the table, and the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and usage patterns. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which water heater you liked the most and why. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons like this.